It was the last nail to be pulled out. This house in Qingkang City was affectionately named the Nail House because its owners refused to allow it to be hammered down by development. It was left stuck out, isolated in a deep construction pit. The owners Yang Wu and her husband Wu Ping became national heroes for their refusal to back down to property developers. They stayed holed up in their house, surviving on deliveries of food and water. But the 3-year standoff came to an end after the couple finally agreed to move across town into an apartment the same size as theirs. It wasn't long after they moved that bulldozers tore through their building. In its place, a shopping mall. There's been a steady rise in property disputes in China in recent years as the economy continues to boom and citizens seize on the idea of human rights. Cindy Martin, Reuters.